If you're seeing the Chrome error proxy connection failed, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quick and easy fix step by step. This is one of the most common Chrome network issues, and it usually happens because of a wrong proxy setting on your computer. The good news is, you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical knowledge. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the Chrome menu and then select Settings. This will take you to the browser settings page where you can check the system and network options that may be causing the error. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page and click System. This section controls how Chrome interacts with your computer's system level settings, including proxy access. Once you're in System, click Open your computer's proxy settings. This will open the proxy settings page on your device, and this is where the main fix happens. On that page, look for Manual Proxy Setup. Under that section, make sure the use of proxy server toggle is turned off. If it's turned on, Chrome may be trying to connect through a proxy that isn't working properly, which can trigger the proxy connection failed error. Turning it off removes that unnecessary connection. Next, look for Automatic Proxy Setup. Under that section, make sure Automatically Detect Settings is turned on. This allows your computer to detect the correct network settings automatically, which often resolves Chrome connection problems right away. After checking both settings, close the settings window and go back to Chrome. Refresh the page or reopen the site that was showing the error, and in many cases, the problem should now be fixed. If the error is still there, try restarting Chrome or restarting your computer so the new proxy settings can fully apply. And that's it. You've now fixed the Chrome proxy connection failed error by correcting your proxy settings. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more quick browser troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.